guys, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. As I said, today I'll be making for you some pizza. With no hesitation, let's roll into the kitchen. So after 2 hours, this is what our dough looks like. So now it's time for us to go ahead and start shaping our pizza. Alright, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some flour to the top of the dough. We're going to add some flour to the counter as well. This made the dough very easy to handle because it's rather sticky after it has been risen. We're going to use our hand and spread the dough out. We want to spread it wider than the size of the baking sheet that we're going to use to bake our pizza. Reason being, we're going to add some broccoli to the outer crust of the pizza. Yes, the broccoli is going to be a part of the outer crust. After putting the broccoli all the way around our pizza, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top of the broccoli. Now the part of the dough that hang over the baking sheet, we're going to use it, fold it over to tuck the broccoli in. And you can add some flour to your fingers if the dough is sticky to achieve this. Now this is what it looks like after it has been finished. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some garlic butter on top. Guys, I achieved this garlic butter by just melting some butter and using it to saute some garlic and some thyme. This gives the pizza color and flavor. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to add some tomato sauce to our pizza. What is pizza without tomato sauce, right? After adding our tomato sauce, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Depending on how much you love cheese, you can either use more or less. And then for the fun part, we're going to add some toppings. You can use whatever toppings you like. Today, I'll be using some onions. Yes, some onion rings and some bell peppers. Now, I am using a variety of color bell peppers. I'm using green, red, and yellow. And for the protein on this pizza, I'm just going to add some diced fried chicken breast. And after putting all my toppings on, I just sprinkle some more mozzarella cheese on top and our pizza is ready to go in the oven. So this is what our pizza looks like, guys. Looking good, smelling good, also tastes great. Here you can see I use chicken and peppers as my topping, but you can go ahead and play around with it. Use whatever topping you like. What is amazing about this pizza, guys, is the broccoli and the cheese that is inside the crust. Down to the very last bite, you're tasting something wonderful. So go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Also, if you're the type of person who wants a very crispy pizza, you can go ahead and leave it in the oven for a little longer. Because there you have it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in and see you next week with another crazy idea.